Hey, there are so many animals. Today we are going to learn about animals name. आज हम जानवरों के नाम सीखेंगे. So let's learn animals name. Lion. Lion. Lion means share. Share. Horse. Horse. This animal is horse. Horse means घोड़ा. Yeah, which is this animal? Let's spell Tiger. Tiger. Tiger means बाघ. बाघ. Elephant. Elephant means हाथी. Deer. Deer means हिरण. Yeah, which is this animal? Let's spell Panda. Panda. This animal is panda. He's so cute. Panda means panda. Yeah, which is this animal? Let's spell Monkey. Monkey means बंदर. Squirrel. This animal is squirrel. Squirrel means गिलहरी. Yeah, which is this animal? Let's spell Fox. Fox means लोमड़ी. Yeah, which is this animal? Let's spell Kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. Hey, which is this animal? Let's spell Giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. Let's spell Zebra. This animal is zebra. Zebra means इसको हिंदी में भी zebra कहते हैं. Zebra. Thanks for watching.